Natalie, we learned tonight a New Jersey National Guardsman is the first U.S. military service member to die from COVID-19. Army Captain Douglas Hickok was an Ocean County native, but he died on Saturday at a hospital in Pennsylvania. News 4's Checkey Beckford tonight is covering the impact of the coronavirus on New Jersey. And Checkey, you spoke to another man in uniform who has contracted the virus, and that is the Essex County Sheriff.
That's right, Stefan. Sheriff Fontoura says he's the second in his department to test positive, though he believes there could be many more. They simply haven't been tested. He says he's extremely proud of those on the front lines, but he is also worried about his wife, who suffers from underlying health conditions.
It's not fun. I can tell you it's not fun. I keep checking. I keep talking with a doctor, and this is like being in jail.
Essex County Sheriff sidelined by the coronavirus. Quarantined to one wing of his home, Armando Fontoura becomes emotional talking about his deputies, paramedics, and the nurses on the front lines.
It's so incredible. It makes you so incredibly proud to be a member of that fraternity. And I wish I could be there. And God willing, I will be,
Fontoura, who is 76, says his symptoms are mild, but he's worried about his wife.
For my wife, who has some very serious health issues, and we're very concerned about her.
In Essex County's largest city, Newark police were busy, writing more than 120 summonses to people flouting social distancing orders. Newark Mayor BARAKA promising more tough action.
If you get another ticket, if you're that person and you out there tomorrow and you get a second ticket, the second ticket will be referred to the prosecutor's office and you're going to be charged with obstruction of law.
This emotional scene in WANAQUE. Nursing assistants consoled each other after learning 8 seniors had died from COVID-19 at Lakeland Nursing Home. But there were no apparent plans to evacuate the facility, as officials in Woodbridge did last week after 24 tested positive there. These nurses, working on contract, unaware what they were getting into when they came in Monday morning. But they vow to stay.
The patients need us. They patients need us. I'm a healthcare worker.
And the mayor says 10 more people in another nursing home have also tested positive. As for Sheriff Fontoura, he says he wants to make sure the public knows that they should adhere to those self-isolation guidelines because he doesn't want anyone else to go through what he is tonight. We're live in Bloomfield. Checkey Beckford, News 4 New York.